our life very fantastic, very easy.
Effort as well.
Hard work is a work that donkey did.
For your getting marks in the
Just because of the smart.
Starting the any kind of things.
So donkey for the whole day to get the more.
Firstly, you have to do the.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Ritesh. I am a student of this institute, and today we are going to play a debate game in which our topic is hard work versus smart work. Our topic is hard work, and their topic is smart work. So let's watch these videos and try to understand what is the values of this debate.
So let's start with the definition. What is smart work? The smart work means innovation and strategy in our daily routine, daily tasks. We can involve that smart work and make our life very fantastic, very easy way. In the person who are doing hard work, it's really hard to do. If the person doing the smart, it's very cool to do and it's easy to do, and it's also for beneficial for his
In
health and all
fact,
things.
sir, in case of smart work, you are not putting your physical effort, your emotional effort, as well your social effort together. In case of hard work, we are consistent, we have persistence, we have resistivity, and that's why we could perform that kind of work, and that's the thing that is very prominent in this case. And I think you should also adopt it because it
So
is.
I will tell you what is means hard work is a work that donkey did. Means hard work is a kind of work that means we have to do like a donkey. But the person who are doing the smart work, they are ruling to the world. Even that they are very good minded. Even their mindset is very fantabulous. And now time the
no
whole-
sir, no
Ma'am,
sir,
first listen
no
me.
sir. I am not
Ma'am,
agree with
first
your
listen
point.
me. First-
You have to listen me. Okay, so in my opinion, like hard work is very important. Right now you are in the school, so why you are also doing hard work for your getting marks in the exam. So you will have to appreciate the hard work. Right now you are sitting here, you are just paying the fees for learning the
But ma'am,
English.
but ma'am,
just
you
listen
are-
to ma'am. You have to just you will.
But you are living in this generation where smart work matters a lot, not the hard work. Why you are not writing the letters to your parents to any other thing? Why you are using the WhatsApp or the technology? Because you are living in the this generation where smart work matters a lot. Just because the smart way, we all can say like we all are making our work very easy. It is very easy. Like just because of the smart work, everything become very easy to do.
Okay, so as we know about that, the hard work is come from that where we do the very well work over that, because the hard work is only one thing which we know about the all the things. But whatever we are doing, still we are learning over there. So first we have to do the hard work for that, for learning it, for starting the any kind of things.
So
we
ma'am,
have to
you
do
are
the
talking
hard.
about that we have to do hard work in the school. So do you know ma'am that you can learn the important topics so that you can get the higher marks. You don't need to work like a donkey for the whole day to get the more marks. And you also can earn money from the YouTube. Do you know about it? This is a smart work, not a donkey work that you have to do on the labor basis, on the basis of the 8
Okay,
hours.
first of all, just tell me the one thing in the YouTube, which kind of the hard work you are like, which kind of the smart work you are doing. Because if you are making some of the video, if you are doing something, so definitely firstly you have to do the hard work, not the smart, because the smart work is not a key of the success. The hard work is the key of the success. If you are doing the hard work, and the ma'am is talking about the about the technology, how you are getting the technology,
Well,
just
sir,
because
I
of the
don't
hard work,
think
because
so.
right now the mostly people are doing the hard work, just because of that people are getting the like the technology, you know?
Well, sir, I don't think so. Hard work is only the key to success. The person preparing for the job, SSC, JEE, and all the things, the smart work matters. If you learn only hard work, just you sit on that table and learn whole life, but the paper never crack. But the reason is, if you're doing the smart work, it will crack in 3 months, 6 months, or a year. So learn the importance of the smart work. The strategy of the student are following even in the school. If you learn whole the
I
books,
think
it doesn't matter.
I think there is no logic in your definition. Which basically, the foundation of a smart work is hard work. If you are not doing hard work, then how can we imagine about smart work? Because the smart work is product of hard work, and that's why most of the guys, you are taking the example of donkey. He is naturally fit for that, and that's why he is performing that activity, and he is hard working animal. You should understand the
So as
natural
ma'am, you are
fitness.
saying- As ma'am, you are saying to me that about this institute example, but do you know that Jesus sir who is making video is making by the smart work, and even now time means the people who are doing the hard work, they are living like a donkey, but the people who are doing the smart work, they are rule on the world. That thing I want to mention to you.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay, sir.
Just listen my point. And smart work is a
key of success. By smart work you can
Okay, I am not agree with your point, sir, because before doing the smart work you will have to perform the hard work. We can take the example of so many businessmen. They are in this time they are rich. Why? Because they do hard work for getting this kind of thing. Okay, and we
so
can
why
take
they
the
are-
example of so many teachers who are
Okay,
just
so
doing hard
just
work
listen to
for
me.
teaching
Just
the
listen to
students.
me. All the businessmen are very rich because they are using the technology, because they all are using the smart work. Because just because of the hard work, if you are doing the hard work, so you are getting the small amount of result. But if just because of the smart work, the time is very less and the result is very high as compared to the hard work. You are spending your whole day and you are getting the 1 hour result. I don't think so. This is the right. If you are using the smart work, you are spending your 1 hour and getting the whole day.
Okay, so
result.
as you mentioned about that, while doing the hard work or as well as smart work, the smart work works a lot over there. No, where the hard work comes from there, the smart work means when the hard work you did over there, throughout that you can do the more work of that which comes from smart work. Even how the sir said about that, the last when you have to complete the SSC or that's all kind of exams, we need to be hard work over there. Okay,
So you
that's
say
all.
donkey is fit, then why tiger is king of the jungle? So the thing is, smart work is really matter. Appearance is really matter. In the gym, if you do a dumbbell only 2.5 kg, you never gain the weight. Then how you can fit? You have to do smart work to overload 5 kg, 7.5 kg. Work hard on it, right? So it's smart work.
Okay,
in every
yes,
field is
you know,
matter.
listen, firstly, in the gym they are doing the smart work. In the gym they are doing the smart work. So you can imagine which kind of the mindset they are having. They are using another kind of the technology. I don't know which kind of the technology they are using, because in the gym they are doing the smart work. Because in the gym, if you will see the gym, so definitely mostly people they are doing the smart work, not the hard work, not a smart work. Because right now people having that kind of the capability. And if I talk about to you, ma'am, like you are talking about the technology, which kind of the technology you are using? If the person did some of the
sir,
hard
you
work, that's why they are doing this.
that you can earn a luxurious life. No, do you know about that the labor work 12 hours, but still is he living a luxurious life? No, he is not. But do you know about it when someone works smart work and they are living luxurious life? Do you know about it? Apart from that you are saying hard work is really important, you can't do anything. So do you know how much burnout you get, how much tired you get?
Okay,
Do you
ma'am.
know about
Okay,
it?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
listen
ma'am.
my
Ma'am,
point
please.
first.
First of all,
Ma'am,
listen to me,
my
ma'am.
point first. You get tired and you are not even getting money. So what is the point of hard work? But
Okay,
you are
okay, I
just
want to
doing-
say you. Just listen to me first of all, okay? First of all, he was saying about the tiger was doing the smart work. You know which kind of work he was doing for capturing this kind of the lion, any kind of animal. Which kind of thing he was also doing hard work. That's why he was getting our food for just removing the starving of their stomach. Okay, so don't abuse like this kind of thing. You will have to just give the importance of the hard work. Okay.
As sir, you are saying that we are having wrong mentality. Even we spend our whole smart work in the gym. That's the wrong mentality that you are having. That now time in business they are in need of smart work, because there's a lot of company who are innovating themselves.
I think you are in dilemma, because the smart work that is facilitating the technology. That technology is also output of hard work. You can take the example of this bulb, electric bulb. Thomas Edison has experimented, I think 3,000 times, and that result is now. And you are using that technology for your smart work. And you,
Okay, so
I
like
think
as
this
you
is
are
your
saying, like,
consideration.
I don't think so. Like you all are aware about this world, because you don't know about the smart work. You don't know about the technology. So I don't think so. You are living in this generation. I think you all are living in the old generation, because you don't know about anything about this generation. As you are talking about like the bulb, is just like the bulb took the so many years. So why all the bulbs are
Okay, so firstly, just tell me that one thing. Right now, they are using the technology, but they don't know about about the previous time. So definitely, you are the Gen Z generation, because you don't know about the hard work. Even though you don't know about the history, if you read the history, so definitely you can know about the hard work, which kind of the hard work they do. And right now, we are getting that much facility, and you are talking about the animal kind of thing. So definitely, the simple thing is that the animal having a laptop and they are doing the smart work. So definitely, it's like that. Definitely, it's like
Sir,
it's
this
like
is not
that.
the stand-up comedian. This is the debate point. So give the point that is equivalent here. So think according it. And you are saying the gym about this they are doing hard work. Sir, if you don't take proper diet, you cannot make your body fit. So there is smart work matter. How much calorie you need to take, how much protein you need to take. There all the smart works matter. And now we are also talking about the Thomas and this electric light. But now a time we are doing smart work to use it. We
Okay,
are
so
not
as you mentioned about that,
experimenting
the lion is a king of forest. I think, sir, because in terms of that, the fox is more clever as compared to the lion in terms of that. Because over there, the lion comes over there just because of their physically fit. Even he is a very good person. Even now, when he hunted
So I would like
any
to cut
animals,
your point,
they
sir,
would like to say that about
You
that.
are talking about that Thomas did 3,000 times, like something affordable. I would like to say that it was 1,000, not 3,000. And you're talking about the technologies are made from hard work. So what kind of credit you are getting from that hard work? Are you getting any credit? You are getting any money? No, you are
Okay,
getting
ma'am.
money
Okay,
by.
ma'am.
You are
Ma'am,
getting
listen
money
to
by
me, ma'am.
smart work, not
Listen
by
to
the
me,
hard
ma'am.
work.
Hard work is important. Maybe you are not respecting your parents. He was also doing hard work for earning money. You know how you do study because of your father. Because